Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a panel van, it's a Highline model, it's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. This van is a used 69 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the van, carried out by one of our expert technicians. And now for a walk around the Transporter. To the front of the van, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will see front fog lights. The centre grille also has a nice chrome strip. This van is also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the Transporter again, you will notice that it's fitted with 16-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. As we move up to the mirrors, you will notice that the mirror caps and door handles are painted in body colour. Also, the mirrors are heated. This would be a great advantage for cold winter months. As we walk down the side of the van, this van's fitted with twin sliding manual doors. And now for a look inside the load area. To the back of the front seat, you will notice a steel bulkhead. This van is also fitted with a wood ply lining, including the floor. To the back of the Transporter, you will notice rear barn doors without windows. As we look across the rear bumper, you will see reverse parking sensors. As we look to the back of the van, you will notice standard rear taillights. It's also fitted with a Transporter badge and a VW emblem on the rear doors. Looking back into the load area, you will notice that the wood ply lining has been professionally fitted. As we look across the floor, you will notice load lashing rings. This is ideal for securing loads whilst in transit. Both doors have this door release catch, and this is the advantage of the catch. This van is painted in a metallic paint, which is called Starlight Blue. And now for a quick look inside the interior. The interior is fitted with a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors have some handy storage, as you can see. As we move across the dash, you will notice cup holders and some more handy storage. As we look to the back of the van, you will see the bulkhead to the back of the front seats. This Transporter is also fitted with 3 comfortable seats in Simora cloth. The driver's seat also has 2 handy armrests for added comfort on long journeys. This now has finished my 360 walk around the van. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me, you will notice mirror and electric window switches. Down here, you will see the automatic headlight switch. Moving back to the steering wheel, you will notice multimedia switches. To this side, you will notice cruise control. This van has covered 42,355 miles. To the centre of the dash, you will notice a 5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system with DAB, FM and AM radio frequencies. Next, we have the media section. This system is fitted with a CD player, which is here. It's also fitted with an SD card reader, which is here. Here we have an AUX port. This van is also fitted with a USB port, which is here. This system also has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I pop the van into reverse, you will notice that this system has a Park Pilot technology for your rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice that this van's fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here we have the temperature control switch. This van's fitted with a 4-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. Here we have the heated front screen switch for cold winter months. And lastly, here we have the DSG automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Volkswagen Transporter. It's a panel van. It's a Highline model. It's fitted with a 150 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has a DSG automatic gearbox. If you would like any more information on this used 69 plate Transporter, please call 0121 514 0632, and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed walk around the van. When you are in contact with a salesperson, you could ask about booking a test drive. You could also ask about the flexible finance options that are on offer if needed. And thank you for watching.